Welcome to our video on understanding U.S. immigrant entry and the significance of the I-551 stamp. In this video, we'll walk you through the process of entering the United States as an immigrant, focusing specifically on the role of the I-551 stamp as temporary evidence of permanent resident status. Let's dive in and demystify this essential aspect of the immigration process. In today's video, we'll cover the following topics: initial entry and I-551 stamping, visa and I-551 relationship, what to do if you're missing an I-551 stamp, an important note on entry documentation, and finally, the conclusion. Upon arrival at a U.S. port of entry, immigrants might receive an I-551 stamp in their passport. This stamp confirms your admission as a lawful permanent resident. However, there are instances where the stamp is not applied at the initial entry point, and this doesn't necessarily mean there's an issue with your status. There is a relationship between your immigrant visa and the I-551 stamp. Sometimes, your immigrant visa may contain a statement indicating that it serves as temporary evidence of your permanent resident status for up to a year, pending receipt of your physical I-551 card. So, if your visa has similar wording and you were admitted into the country, it acts as temporary proof of your permanent residency until your official green card arrives. Make sure to check your visa for these statements. It's quiz time. Here's a question. What should you do if you believe your I-551 stamp is missing? Is it 1. Panic immediately, 2. Contact the port of entry, or 3. Ignore it? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We'll discuss the answer in the next section of the video. If the I-551 stamp is missing, contacting the port of entry is the best course of action, as they can help rectify any administrative oversight and confirm your status. If you believe your I-551 stamp is missing, despite being admitted as a permanent resident, follow these steps. 1. Contact the port of entry and explain your situation. The CBP office there might need to rectify any oversight. 2. Ensure you have all necessary documents, such as your passport and visa, as they are crucial for proving your admission and resident status. 3. Apply for a replacement I-551 card via USCIS if required. Here's an essential note. Never attempt to enter the U.S. without the required documentation. Doing so could lead to serious legal implications. Ensuring that you have complete and accurate documentation is crucial for being compliant with legal immigration procedures. In conclusion, the absence of an I-551 stamp at the initial port of entry doesn't necessarily mean your status as a permanent resident is invalid. What's more important is confirming your entry and securing confirmation of your permanent resident status from the relevant authorities. When in doubt or facing discrepancies, contacting the CBP and USCIS is crucial. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below.